Are you looking for the best knife sharpening kit? In this video, we will break down the top 6 knife sharpening kits on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Hi there! Here at Tools Informer, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks with a buying guide for every category based on product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the product links down below in the description. And please, like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews and buying guides regularly.
At number 1. HUANLEMAI Sharpening Kit. This premium 5000 grit whetstone is considered an ultra-fine grit. This is more suited to keeping a sharp, usable edge on kitchen knives, as opposed to repairing very dull blades. In fact, the stone itself is sold as an add-on for a separate kit that is good. These kinds of ultra-fine stones are typically what make the kits that include them cost so much more than those that don't. The affordability of this ultra-fine stone makes it stand out as a smart upgrade option to any kit. The beauty of this stone is largely in its simplicity. Lay this on your kitchen counter, just beside the cutting block, and try a few strokes on either side of the blade before cutting. However, the Sharpening Waterstone Kit is extremely easy to assemble. Knife Sharpener Stone uses water for sharpening, doesn't need expensive sharpening/honing oils, and has no mess. At number 2. LANSKY LKDMD Sharpening Kit. Its controlled angle knife sharpening system is an easy-to-use sharpening solution that helps you get a razor-sharp edge every time. It comes in 7 kit varieties, with 3 to 5 sharpening hones per kit. It is designed to give your blade a professional, razor-sharp edge every time. The knife clamp holds the knife in place while its guide holes maintain angle consistency when sharpening. This provides the user superior results regardless of their knife sharpening experience. The knife kit is equipped with different phones for different types of sharpening needs. The Honest with the kit includes 600 grit fine diamond, 280 grit medium diamond, and 120 grit coarse diamond hones. A knife clamp is a flip-over unit perfectly engineered with multiple angles. Moreover, the hones used for blade sharpening are color-coded, so it is easy to identify the exact tool you need every time. The tools are gray, purple, red, and brown. The hones in this knife kit are equipped with an ergonomic design, which introduces the finger-grooved holders feature. At number 3. KME Sharpener F85 System Kits. The Precision Knife Sharpener System with 4 Gold Series diamond hones is the best hunting knife sharpener if you prefer a manual sharpener. This is by far the most comprehensive manual hunting knife sharpener system. This precision knife sharpening system is what is known as a guided sharpening system, in which the knife blade is held in a clamp that guides it across the sharpening stone of your choice. It features a rotating blade clamp which speeds up the sharpening process, and the spherical rod guiding system maintains precise angles, making it easy for anyone to sharpen knives and broadheads. The sharpener allows continuous angle adjustments from 17 to 30 degrees, and is marked out in single-degree increments for easy angle selection. Besides, the new low-profile clamp is neoprene-lined to protect your blades from scratching or marring, and is marked with 2 depth lines to assist with repositioning the knife for touch-ups. At number 4. Edge Pro Knife Sharpening System. If you are looking for an option that allows you to sharpen all knives at a precise angle, then you should consider this knife sharpening system. This unit is one of the best knife sharpening kits for getting fine-tuned results each time. This kit comes with a guide system along with various sharpening stones to ensure you draw the blade at the precise angle. It comes with 5 water stones to allow users to fine or coarse sharpen their knives. As well, it supports honing for maintaining your knife's edge. The kit is designed to accommodate the stones fittingly without any slippage for the best angle guide as you draw the blade. Furthermore, this model costs more than most knife sharpeners on the market. In short, it offers your knives longevity since it only removes less metal while sharpening the blades. At number 5. HUANLEMAI BG4270 Sharpening System. This two-direction water-cooled sharpening system is essentially a small bench grinder that, by being water-cooled, is suitable for sharpening hardened tool steel. In other words, if you are looking for a sharpening system that can sharpen woodworking chisels, lathe carving blades, cold chisels, or other steel tools, this could be what you're looking for. This is a highly versatile sharpening system that can put virtually any edge angle on any blade shape or length. The drawback is that it is so effective that a beginner's mistake could potentially ruin your knife. As such, beginners should probably look at the top 3 kits first, until they are more familiar with edge angles and blade sharpening in general. It still makes an amazingly valuable addition to any workbench or hobby space, and this model includes a unique leather strap belt that will help take off wire edges and hone your knife to a razor's edge. Additionally, the included jigs will help ensure you stay at the right edge angle throughout sharpening. At number 6. Wicked Edge Knife Sharpener. This is a complete set of tools for sharpening a knife to the angle desired. It is made in the USA. It can sharpen any type of knife so quickly yet so smoothly. It is possible to easily position the knives and repeat the sharpening process with the knife's soft touch-ups. Also, the angles are marked to 15 degrees for a knife with an edge of 5/8 of an inch. The whole system is lightweight, allowing fast transportation. It is portable and takes a tiny space, so it is easy to store. You get an additional storage bag to arrange the tools properly before storing them. All of the body components are created from aluminum and steel, making them highly durable. It has a diamond stone pack of medium 200 grit and coarse, fine 600 grit. Best of all, it is easy to mount it with the C-clamp mounting and hold platforms, allowing you to mount it on any hard surface. The system can be arranged for both right-hand users and left-hand users. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.